Well, good morning, world. This is me, Eunice, at the Hill Family Farm, and I'm taking a walk because one of our animals decided to go out, and now she cannot get back inside in the pasture, and that's Lupita. So I'm bringing some apples. I took a bite of one to see if I can lure her back in. So our animals are unique. That's Pancho. Pancho. Oh, now you want me to touch you. Come over here. Let me rub. And that is T-Bone, the alpaca. Hey, T-Bone. And they are funny as they can be. Hey, Lupita. So what you doing outside, girl? Come on. Come on. Come on. Eat that pear. I got pears and apples. These are pears from the garden. There you go. Come on, I have more. Come on. I have some more. And there's Cece the sheep. Yes, Cece, how are you? Lupita, come on. Come on, Lupita. There you go. Here we go. Come on, Lupita. There we go, girl. Cece. Go, Lupita. There you go. Here we are. And they are eating their fruits. You want some more, girl? You want some more? Here you go. Here you go, some apples. It got stuck between the fence, Lupita. Here you go, girl. Here, Cece. Okay, Lupita, so you're inside nice and safe. So mommy gonna turn off the phone. I'm gonna start videotaping. Well, before I stop the phone, let me show you these amazing horses. Yes, man. And this is Rascal, aka Little Man. And this is Star. Star is a pony. There you go. I'm gonna come and feed you later, okay? You gotta have a blessed day now. Bye-bye. Bye, Lupita. What you gonna say? Hee-haw, hee-haw. Oh, you're gonna, oh, now you're flossing your teeth. Look at this guy. He's amazing. That's Percy the pig. He's a Vietnamese pig. Goodbye.